afternoon, fellas. Jim at Cityscapes Lawn Care. Hopefully you can hear me. We're going to do an unboxing of the Darwin's Grip 5.0. We're going to put that on the Stihl FSA 135R battery trimmer and the FCA 135 battery edger. By the way, if you didn't know, review of the Darwin's Grip 5.0 on the Stihl battery stick edger and trimmer. So I did open it up. As you can see what's in the box. I bought two of them. It's actually cheaper if you buy multiple at the same time. So we're going to unwrap this here, and of course I'll speed it up here. We don't need to see the install. But the 5.0, get this plastic out of here. There we go. Ugh. There we go. So, as you can see, the Darwin's Grip 5.0, that's the new head that they got. So, if you look at it, this is your built-in clamp, if you will. So, if you want to always want the adjustments, because you got maybe your crew has got some guys taller, one guys smaller. If not, you just clamp it down, you're good to go. If you notice that the ridges, so it'll make a nice little grip here, really tight. So if you like your position and you just tighten it all down, you're good to go. Of course, this is going to be stationary on your trimmer, and that's never going to move. But it's just this portion. And that's what this is for. That's why the 5.0 version is much better than the previous versions. They did a good job. But, you know, like anything, we just want to, see, there's tight. I can barely move it now. I'm not going to clamp it down because I do have to adjust it. Good, grippy, soft. So you're going to be handling that all the time. I was concerned if it wouldn't fit on my rack, so that's why I kind of pre-opened it and actually looked at it, and yes, it's gonna, and I'll show you when we get it done, you know, the install on how it goes on my Green Touch racks. So Ballard did a nice job on making sure everything fits. So without further delay, I'll show you what else is in the box. This is the second grip for my stick edger. You have the instruction package. I'm not sure I know what that is yet. Some kind of liquid. So I'll have to read the directions to find out, but this is the first time I'm using Darwin's Group. Maybe that's Loctite, maybe? I don't know. Of course, you get the tool, so you don't have to use your own. I didn't know that, so I actually brought my own. But you have the you know, Torx Allen wrench, and then you gave you kind of two bonuses. So this looks like a hat, and then your face shield. Yeah, so you got a boonie hat. That's awesome. I didn't know he was going to include that, but yeah, you got a boonie hat. There we go. Now people see me on the road, right? And I got a little boonie hat. Yeah, nice, breathable Darwin's Grip logo. Of course, the face mask. Get the dust out of the way. That ought to be nice. Yeah, there you go. Face mask. Yeah. Thank you, Darwin's Grip, for the extra surprises there. That was nice. Well, I'm going to get busy and I'm going to install this, and we'll show you the end of the progress. Should be simple to do. It is. And you guys know Darwin's Grip. It's obviously going to really conserve your back. And me being old as I am, I need all the protection I can for my back. I'm tired of just punching over all the time, so that's why I bought the Darwin's grip, and you should too. I am not affiliated. I do not get paid by Darwin or anybody else or Stihl. This is of my own money, so I am not sponsored in any way. And that gives you the honest review. I have no discount codes, but they're out there, so just kind of do your own research. And I bought this, and I think it was just barely over 100 for two of them. Kind of a windy day, it blew away. So as you can see, the instructions there. I mean, it's pretty simple. I don't need to read it for you. There's install videos everywhere. Heck, I'm doing one. So this is, I just read it real quick. This is thread adhesive to put on there. So use the thread adhesive for these 4 bolts. So yeah, kind of like a Loctite, if you will. And that's going to be the one that's going to go on here. So thread adhesive, use a power drill and create excessive amounts of torque, may snap this device. So yeah, you want to do everything by hand. Use thread adhesive on all 4 of the bolts. Check daily for loosening. Replacement bolts can be purchased on the website. Use a handheld 5mm hex key and go to an X pattern. So yeah, you don't want to torque it down, torque on one side. You want to kind of go here to here to here to here. Okay, so and I'm saying, you know, the brand name Loctite. So it's some sort of adhesive that you want to kind of put and make sure it's secure, it doesn't loosen up. So that's what that is for. Alright fellas, well there it is. Yeah, it took me a little bit longer. I didn't have everything positioned right, but really it shouldn't take, but it's only four bolts, if you will. So lock it in, kind of position where you need it to be. I think this will work out. I'm not going to put the Loctite yet because I don't know how far back yet. I just have to kind of play with it a little bit. I think I want it kind of down like that, so I can lock that in, but that, again, that's easy. But yeah, I think this is going to work out. I can already tell that the strain on my back is a lot less without even having to do anything right now. So I highly recommend it. But that's your Darwin's grip 5.0. This kind of locks in place, so this will move up or down if you want. Again, so if you have lots of crews, taller or shorter, they can adjust this. This is obviously not as easy to adjust. I mean, it's easy to put in, but on the fly, you don't really want to adjust that, especially if you're putting Loctite in it. So for me, this is my trimmer. I'm going to have it in one position. Loctite will be fine so it doesn't back out the screws. We're going to do that. And I'm sorry, I keep calling it Loctite, but it's an adhesive, if you will. You don't really want to keep moving this around because eventually this is going to wear out. If you're constantly moving and rotating this whole grip, these eventually wear out, and then you're going to lose your tightness, if you will. So, but luckily for me, this is my trimmer, and I'm the only one that's going to use this, so it's going to be in a dedicated position. I don't know where yet. I'll just have to experience it tomorrow, so we'll see. But if you haven't seen my review on the battery FSA 135 trimmer, I recommend definitely go take a look at it. It's a good thing. There's the umbilical cord. You can have extended battery life with a backpack if you want. Portable. Heck, you can even put this on your belt. They have a belt holster, so it makes, there's no like that little plug in there, so you get dirt in there. But no, honestly, it's a good thing to have. Mash that down there. But yeah, the Darwin's Grip 5.0, they've done some really good work. I mean, nice grippy handle. It's going to make it comfortable. We'll see how it holds up on the Florida heat. This video is already too long. It's 19 minutes, so I'm going to cut it short. I'm not going to show you the second one, but no, I like it, and I think it's going to be a less strain on my back. All right, Jim at Cityscape Lawn Care. Peace out.